In our problem we have
199
times
199
divided by
199
divided by,
199.
and because according to the order of operations we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this multiplication, then this division, and finally this division. If you do this division before this multiplication, it's wrong. Okay? Now let's start our solution. So first we do this multiplication. We have
199
times
199,
which equals
39,601.
rewrite our problem and we get
39,601
divided by
199
divided by.
199.
So we have to work from left to right.
39,601
Divided by
199,
which equals
199
divided by
199,
which equals 1. And this was our final answer for this problem.